Hello YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald and today I'm going to be reviewing a very fun product. Now, as you can probably tell, my hair is damp. It's a little wet because we're gonna play with it today. So I just received this fun product in the mail. It is from Briogeo. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm really bad with names, but that's how I'm gonna call it, Briogeo. Sea Goddess Hair and Body Shimmer Mist. So this is what it looks like. Look at the sparkle on this. This is, I mean, I took it out of the packaging and it's just, it's a sparkle explosion. So this is meant for your skin and your hair, which is why I also have a tank top on so I can put it on and show you guys if it works. So I don't know, honestly, if you're supposed to have dry or wet hair. I figured that any product like this sticks better with a little bit of dampness to your hair, which is why mine is wet. So how do I, oh, there we go. Okay, the little lid is put on very well. So I'm gonna put it on my hair first. Oh my god, it smells really good. Maybe it might be better to put it on my I just put it on the ends of my hair. Oh my gosh. This is sparkly. Can you guys see the sparkle on my hair? Oh my god. I'm gonna look like, I mean, I am 23, so we don't typically wear glitter in our hair at this age, but I moved the camera back so y'all could see me better. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave my hair. I have black hair, so hopefully that doesn't take away you guys from seeing it on me. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my skin now, like my chest and my arms and everything. It is so light and like simple. Like it's almost like it's so subtle I can barely see it. This is perfect for summertime, especially when you have like a nice tan going on, to have like a little, you know, shimmery sparkle going on that almost looks like a glow. Oh my god, I have to go to school after I film this video and all my friends are gonna be like, why are you so sparkly? I'm putting it here. Oh my gosh, my hands. Can y'all see how like crazy sparkly they are? So I guess that's gonna stay like that. But anyways, so this is the product Sea Goddess Hair and Body Shimmer Mist by Briogeo. This is so much fun. It is such a great little extra product to have for summertime especially. I'm gonna be using this every freaking day of the summer to make myself sparkly and glowy. I am going to link this product below. I am going to also link Briogeo's Instagram because this is a new product that they are selling. So I'm sure there's so many people coming up with fun things to do with this, even like hairstyles. If you had like a slicked back do and then you put like a spray of sparkle in it, I could just imagine that would be such a fun like outside summertime look. So I'm probably gonna play a little bit more around with this. I literally just took it out of the bottle and wanted to see what it looked like on my skin and on my hair. And I feel like a happy 14-year-old girl again with some sparkle. So I definitely think this is such a cute concept and a great idea. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook is below, so if you would like, please go follow me there. Other than that, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!